You see this present day dancehall music here, where we see a go on about to play the trap music and the trapper them and all these things. It thing. It really thing, the whole society.
Alright, so Muta Baruka would rather blame trap music for the murder and the crime and the violence that you see here in Jamaica. You understand? And ignore the fact that it was our political leaders that introduced this, you know what I mean, this murder culture. You understand? And this downright terroristic, you know what I mean, mindset into the mind of the youth them with their political division. You understand? Instead of blaming our political and religious leaders for misguiding the youth them. You understand? Muta Baruka would rather blame the regular artist, which is an entertainer. You know what I mean? A DJ is an entertainer, you know. He's not a leader like you, Muta. You understand? You have been on the radio for years. You understand? You are a religious leader here in Jamaica. What have you done?